Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If the trigger on your Dyson V10 isn't responding, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from wear and tear or a build-up of debris inside the mechanism. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, making it harder to operate and potentially affecting other components. To fix this problem, you'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger for the Dyson V10, and a can of compressed air to clean out any dust or debris. To begin the repair, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and turned off. Start by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the trigger assembly. Once you've unscrewed them, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage any clips. Inside, you'll find the faulty trigger mechanism, which may be stuck due to dirt or wear. Carefully detach the trigger from its housing, noting how it is connected. If you see any debris, use the compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. Now, take your replacement trigger and align it with the housing, ensuring it sits correctly. Reconnect any cables you may have had to detach during the removal process, making sure they are secure. When replacing the screws, apply just the right amount of force. Over-tightening can cause damage to the plastic casing. After everything is reassembled, take a moment to check that the trigger moves freely and responds correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly clean your Dyson V10 to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, try not to force the trigger if it feels stuck, as this could cause further problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.